Are you looking for the best siding nailer? In this video, we will break down the top 7 best siding nailers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. BOSTITCH Coil Siding Nailer. If you're looking for a powerful siding nailer you can use to tackle various home repair tasks or small projects, then this would make a great choice. This is a highly reliable nailer that can handle various types of materials ranging from softwood to steel. It can be used with both wire nails and plastic inserted nails. It provides exceptional power and can handle both soft materials such as softwood as well as hard materials like steel. Also, you get all of these for a very affordable price. The tool is made of aluminum material, which makes it lightweight and highly durable. It weighs only 4.9 pounds, so you can use it all day without wearing out. Its magazine can hold up to 350 nails, which is quite impressive. The magazine accepts nails between 1/4 to 2.5 inches in length. The tool features an adjustable exhaust as well as depth adjustment, which you can adjust according to your project. It operates at 70 to 120 psi and can be used with most air compressors. The nailer also offers a tool-less adjustable exhaust, which helps to direct spent air away from your face and the workpiece. The use of rubber in the foot also helps to prevent damage to the material. The only thing we didn't like about the nailer is that it requires much effort to switch between firing modes, as you have to swap parts. But notwithstanding, this shouldn't be much of a problem since you don't plan to do this all the time. At number 2. Freeman PCN65 Coil Siding Fencing Nailer. The Freeman PCN65 is a more affordable siding nailer that, despite its relatively low price, still packs a punch. It has a wide variety of usage and can host 15-degree plastic collated nails of 1/4 to 2.5 inches and 15-degree wire collated nails of 1 3/4 to 2.5 inches. This model performs well for any type of siding, on soft material or hard ones. It has enough power to nail through concrete, and the soft tip will not damage or penetrate your material. Adjusting depth in this model is equally easy, and we like the magnesium body. It is both durable and low weight. Ergonomics is also big with the PCN65, and it has a great feeling in the hand. It can be used for hours without hand fatigue. The only caveat is the fairly bigger weight of 8 pounds. Not huge, but it's there and heavier than most siding nailers in this review. At number 3. Makita AN611 Coil Siding Nailer. This versatile siding nailer has a 3-mode selector switch that allows the user full control over which nailing option they require. The rubber bumpers protect your work surface. Multidirectional, 360-degree exhaust port dispels air away from the user. Built-in air filter to minimize debris and dust during use. Sports an easy-to-load nail canister with a massive 400 magazine capacity. Accepts nail sizes 1/4 to 2.5. Collation angle of 15 degrees. The 3-mode selector switch, large and easy to load nail canister and on-the-fly nail depth adjustments with 9 setting options, make this the most versatile nailer on the market. The Makita AN611 can't be beaten if you're looking for a highly functional siding nailer for an affordable price. At number 4. Hitachi NV65AH2 Coil Siding Nailer. This is a siding nailer that's feature-rich with a side-loading design. The unit's lightweight and compact design makes it a nailer that's easy to position, and there's also a tilt-bottom magazine that's easy and fast to reload. Hitachi offers a solid design that features a side-loading nail gun with 16-degree or 15-degree options, depending on the fastener used. Operating pressure is a standard 70 to 120 psi, and the diameter is 0.90 to 0.99. Depth adjustment is available with a tool-less design, and actuation is a lot easier with this nail gun than with our previous review. Easy to use, this tool has infrequent jams, and it's backed by a 5-year warranty. At number 5. Metabo HPT Coil Nailer for Siding. With this sliding nailer, you can utilize this siding nailer for nails 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches in length. These can be either plastic sheet tested nails according to your requirements and prerequisites. It also allows you to change the inability to effectively use the free modification of its materials. This is very convenient when using 16-degree wire tested curl nails for siding. What's more, since it's an aerodynamic side nailer, you have to attach it to an air blower to use it. With regard to aerial tension, it can operate from 70 psi to 120 psi without any problems. At number 6. DEWALT DW66C-1R 15-degree 2.5 inches Coil Siding Nailer. This siding nail gun is compatible with both plastic and wire collation options. For enhanced ease of use, the unit allows for a tool-less depth adjustment. This allows you to present the tool to different countersinking settings with ease. You will also like the adjustable air exhaust system used on this nail gun. It features aluminum construction for increased durability, as well as reduced fatigue during use. The hand tool is also loaded with an assortment of wear-resistant parts, including divers, bumpers, and springs for extending tool life and longevity. At number 7. Dewalt DW66C-1 Fencing Nailer. The Dewalt DW66C sighting nailer offers a 15-degree angle adjustment just per its name. This can be quite handy for various kinds of applications. As for its nail length support, it can fit 1/2 inch to 2 1/2 inch long sighting nails without any issues. And these nails can either be wire or plastic sheet collated ones as per your requirement. You can fit a total of 300 such nails in the nail magazine offered by this sighting nailer. This means that you do not have to replace nails again and again while working at 70 psi to 120 psi operational air pressure. Just like Makita, Dewalt also offers a 3-year-long warranty with its tool. However, since it uses an aluminum body, you get decent strength even though it weighs just 4.9 pounds. Apart from aluminum, this sighting nailer also uses rubber in different places to ensure that you do not scratch or damage the work surface.